look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Oh, beautiful. Ooh. A birdie. Is it scary? It's a hanger. Boop. It's a hat. Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is fun. Oh, it's a cute little thing. A candle. Nope.
Molly! Molly! Where are you? Molly! What a smart mouth. Where are you, you stinker? Come here. Come here. Come here, you little... What? What do you mean, bye-bye? Where are you? What, are you busy? Come see me. Come see me. Where are you? Oh, Molly. Are you so happy? I bet if I reached over there to try to get her, she would rip my hand off. Molly. Hello. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You damn. Beep, 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 beep.
Almost.
Good boy.
You gotta stop moving. Be good. Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Yeah, good bird. Good bird. Yeah.
Okay, just a few more, okay? Good baby bird. Just a little tip. Stella, do you need help? Hey, I thought we agreed not to do this. Stella. Yeah, you're a good girl.
to me like that.
Look at all of those. Your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
You just knocked on your door.
You feeling bunky today?
No! No! You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this. Don't laugh at me. You're not allowed in here and you know it. No!
What are you doing? What?
I'm up. What do you want? If you ask me what doing. I'm awake. What's up?
Yes, it is. It's in there. It's fine. Okay, fine. I'll take it out. Let's take it out, okay? Go throw the fit.
This is what he was freaking out over in the box. In one of the scenes, you can see this around his head, the yellow ring. But just so everyone knows, he's okay. He's just hormonal right now. I did not expect him to freak out so bad. He got mad at us for taking this out of the box, so we put it back in to make him happy, and apparently we just did.
Give me all your numbers so I can phone them. Beep, 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 beep. Hey now, oh my God. I had a dream.
Remember how I was trying to teach Mango to test the water before taking a bath? Well, this is how it's going so far.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Hello.
I mean,
It's a foot. You can't hold the phone.
I don't really.
Someone laid another egg today. Aww. Babies. You kissing? Uh-huh. Say I love you. Say hi, babies. You pushing them under you? Aww. You're rolling them? What's happening here? Okay, you wanna go? Come on. Let's go.
Go ahead, you talk. What doing?
Come on. Hey, hey!
Stare at that. You're dancing? Oh my goodness, you're so good. Aww. Puffy. Yeah, dance a girl.
I'm coming. I'm coming, man. Hold on. I just started trusting you, man. Give me a second. Okay, I'm on it. Making sure your fingers ain't tapping. Hold up. I'm checking my weight. Everything good. Flotation device seems to be in order. Okay, here we go. Foot back on. I am ready to engage. This is not a drill. I am on it. I'm on. I'm on. I'm off. I'm off. I'm off. Okay. All right, you going down. All right, that's good. All right, let me test my weight. Okay, it's holding me up. All right, this is good. This is good. You said we're going to get out. Hell no, man. What you mean we going to get out? You been doing all this to get me on? No. No. Yes. 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 No. Maybe. Should I? Nah, man. I'm strong like an eagle, man. Here we go. Float me. But make sure you stay close to the edge, man. I want to see the edge. Just make sure I can see the edge.
Good morning. Oh, nothing. You're very chatty. Yeah, I know. You got a lot to say today.